Hello and welcome to my Skoolify review. In this review, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Skoolify, what exactly is Skoolify, and I'm going to show you what the members area looks like. Now, this is the members area. I'm going to go get back to this here in just a second, but I'm going to go over to the sales page here and just show you just a little bit about it. So Skoolify is a course by James and Max, and they're going to show you how they were able to take their school and take it from the top 8,000 schools to being in the top 300 schools within just a 3-week time frame. Now, the best part about this is this course is going to show you how you can make money with Skool right now, today, without even have to creating your own Skool account or your own following or anything like that. Now, you can do it that way if you want. They're going to show you how to do that, but they're also going to show you how to do it without having to create the school itself. So really, really good stuff here. And this is a really fast growing platform. If you don't know what Skool is like I don't know how to explain it. It's more like of a social media type of thing where people can interact with everybody, like a group or like a chat room or something where people put posts and you can interact with people one-on-one. It's really, really cool. And people are really making a lot of money with Skool. And Skoolify is going to show you how to do that. Now, I recommend that you watch this video before you purchase. However, if you just want to purchase, you can get that right here on this button here. If you click that link down below in the description of this video, it's going to take you to this page where you can then read over the sales page and purchase it. So let me take you inside the members area. That way you know what to expect before you even make that purchase. So over here on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see the videos, the video topics, and then once you click on them, you'll see the videos pop up here. So this is just an introduction to Skoolify. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, what to expect inside the training, and what they're exactly going to train you. Now, this next one is how to join an elite community at a discounted price. They have their own paid school. Great thing about Skool is you can make your school a paid school. That means people will need to pay a subscription fee to come in and interact with you. So if you're an authority on something and you're giving out a lot of information, you can actually have people pay to come in and interact with you in that school on a monthly basis. That's just an opportunity to get their paid school at a discounted price. That is not required to get at all. It's just there for you if you want it. Next one, get your elite affiliate link and let's get the party started. So what they're going to do is, one of the great things about Skoolify is once you get your Skoolify account set up, if you decide to do that, and you want to get people in your school, they're going to give you an affiliate link for their elite community. Remember the elite community that I was just telling you about? So they're going to give you an affiliate link for being a part of this Skoolify course. So you're going to get your own affiliate link. I think it's 30% if you buy this course. You will get 30% of the commissions that you bring in when people buy this elite community and people subscribe. And that's recurring commissions every single month. So I believe it's $97 a month. So you would get like $30 every single month for every person that joins and stays a member. So you'll get that here, the affiliate link. And the next one is you get paid more than anybody else. So basically what I just said, you get paid 30%, which is more, and their regular affiliate program is less. So as a thank you for purchasing the Skoolify course, they're going to give you access to a higher commission. So today is the day that everything changes. They're going to show you how to use Skoolify to your own advantage. Time to level up. Skoolify goes by levels, and they're going to show you how to, I wouldn't say trick the system, but they're going to show you an easy way. You are the authority. So whenever you create your new Skoolify, remember you're the authority there. You're the top level. You're the top person. You're the one that everybody's going to go to for questions. You're going to have all the answers. This video is going to go over all of that. This is a video that will show you how to immediately get access to thousands of viral clips that you can use on social media to promote your school. to get more people into your school. Use the power of simple AI with this traffic source. They're going to show you how to use AI to get people in your school. Crush it with more AI tools. So you'll crush it with these AI tools. They're going to give you AI tools that you can use to get more people in your school. Tap into the best buyer traffic out there. So if you want to pay for traffic, you can do that. And they're going to show you the best way to get buyer traffic here. Generate high quality traffic posting simple stuff. So they're going to show you where to post things for your school to get quality traffic, high quality traffic. Next one's more viral traffic. They're going to talk about getting your traffic and make it viral. More traffic to any link. They're going to show you a service that you can use to get traffic to any link. The free super tool that you must use. This is an amazing video. Please watch this. Please watch them all, but make sure you watch this one. Be everywhere at once. The power of bonuses. It's important that you offer bonuses to your potential customers. People might subscribe just for your bonuses. You never know. They're going to show you how you can crush your own school. So like I said, if you decided that you wanted to create your own school, they're going to show you how you can really make it work for yourself, just like they did. They got it from the top 3,000 to the top 800 in just 3 weeks. We take you behind the scenes, so they're going to show you everything that they're doing. They're going to show you where the value is, monetize the calendar. These aren't numbers on the screen. These are real people. So they're going to show you what real people are making with Skool. They're going to show you how to crush the leaderboards, what it's all about, how they run things. So they're going to take you inside their school once again, show us that you're there. So they want you to interact with them in their free school, basically. Have AI make your school courses for you. They're going to show you how to use AI to make school courses. Your custom Skoolify AI expert tool, more AI. It's just so much value in this course. It's just unbelievable. Now it's your turn to blow things up. And then what's next? This one, they're going to show you how to blow up your own school as well. So, like I said, lots and lots of value in this course. Let me see how many videos we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. 30 videos. 30 videos in this course. It's crazy. Then you can get upgrades if you want. And then that's it. So I hope to see you inside Skoolify. Skoolify is a really value-packed course. Go ahead and click on the link down below. It's going to take you to the sales page where you can then scroll down and click on this pink button to get access today, where you can then buy it. You can read the sales page over if you wish and watch this video. So thank you for watching my Skoolify review all the way until the end. And please like and subscribe to this video if you found this video helpful to you. Thank you for watching my Skoolify review.